This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking the visual goals, anime proportions, clear silhouettes, and color keys. This guides every decision. First, set up your canvas at 1920 x 1080, 16:9, and import references. Then, create modular assets, head, torso, limbs, eyes, mouth shapes. This saves time when rigging or animating frame by frame. Once done, establish a simple color palette and line weight. Make sure to name layers logically. These steps get you into production fast and keep consistency across shots. Now you construct movement. Set strong key poses that read silhouette first, then place breakdowns to show arcs and intent. Use timing charts. Fast action uses fewer frames, weighty moves need more, so plan frame counts per action. If rigging, create deformers and set rotational pivots at joints. If frame by frame, paint roughs and cleanup. Once breakdowns are approved, add secondary animation like tail swings and breathing. Then refine easing, so the motion feels organic and lively. Finish by cleaning line work, locking colors, and adding simple cell shading plus highlights for readability. Once polished, render passes as PNG sequences or layered composites. Assemble in your editor at 60 FPS or build sprite sheets for game rigs. If things go wrong, first verify pivot points and layer order. Mismatched color profiles or broken rigs cause most issues. Correct those, then re-export. Finally, test on target device or timeline, and make micro adjustments until movement and style.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.